Look, I'm trying to tell you, you can do this too. It can be very, very, very easy. Okay? Check this out. I'm talking about food. I'm talking about your health, your wellness. Check this out. I got leftovers in here. This is my food processor. I got leftovers. I got quinoa, rice, and beans. Okay? Leftovers from the week. It is now the weekend, right? So with that being said, people like to eat out and have all types of cool stuff. I'm going to turn this into a burger patty and have burgers tonight from my leftovers. Super simple, super easy. Okay, so look, check this out. I'm gonna add some rice flour to this. Fourth a cup. I'm gonna add some garlic and onion to it. So, chop me off a little bit of onion. Okay, just a little bit, okay? And then just a little bit of garlic. Remember, it's going in the food processor, so I'm just putting it right on in there. Just a little bit of garlic, just a little bit for the taste. Let's see, I'm going to add, you know what, I'm not even gonna add salt. I'm going to add a little bit of avocado oil, just a little bit, okay? And this right here, I'm going to pulse it in the blender. I'm gonna pulse it. All right, it's mixed pretty good, okay? I'm gonna scoop that out and make patties out of it. Again, this can be really easy. Oh no, unless you lost where you put your patty maker at. Anyway, look, get your little patty maker, $2. Right, so check this out. I'm going to put this in a little patty maker. It's mixed around pretty good. I think I'm going to keep it just like this. It's Sunday, so I'm gonna keep it simple on the seasoning wise. Too big. I'm just gonna add it to my little patty press. Boom, got me a patty. Just like that, simple little patty. I'm going to let it chill in the refrigerator on a plate with some parchment paper. I'm gonna be good to go. Matter of fact, let me get that set up. So I got this fire patty right here. It's in patty form. Spatula, get it off. I got a nice little patty right there. Boom, see that? Nice little patty, it's thick. It's gonna be fire. I'll probably end up air frying it. Put it in the refrigerator, let it chill. Boom. I'm gonna chop up some potatoes, have some fries, pop those in the air fryer too. And we're good for business. That's how you take care of yourself. You get creative. You still can eat good. You just have to have a plan. So with that being said, I know it's hard for us to make a plan. You can already have plans made for you. My team, we can make plans for you. We can cut out that middleman, that time, that thinking. This is what we do. We take care of you. And it's fun. Once you get started, it becomes second nature. This becomes your lifestyle. And you continue to take care of yourself. Like, look at that. It's smackable. So I'm gonna let these chill, and I'm gonna get to chopping the fries. It's gonna be a good time. Got this potato right here. Chop this potato up. This is a regular sweet potato. Well, no, it's not regular, it's organic. So I got this potato right here, and I'm gonna wash it. I'm gonna chop it. And again, you gotta make this a journey. Make this a journey. Chopping your food needs to be a journey. It needs to be fun. It's not. that sweet potato. It needs to be fun for you. Because if you're not having fun while you're consuming this good for you food, and you're just doing it like it's a chore, I wonder why you're having a hard time with this health stuff. No wonder why you get to sneaking food in the nighttime or feeling guilty about food. No wonder. Because it's not fun to you. It needs to be fun. It needs to be your joy. You need to enjoy cooking for people, cooking for yourself. Because food is how we nourish our bodies. That whole process, making it, sharing it with people over conversation and a good time, that whole process needs to be fun. There's a reason why we got the blue zones in the world. You got people that live to be 100+ years old, having a grand old time. They're cooking, walking around, dancing, playing. They're not sitting back in their rocking chairs. They're out moving. They're preparing these lovely meals. So make it fun. The sweet potato, especially an organic sweet potato, has so many nutrients in it. So many. Bunch of vitamins. Vitamin A, vitamin C. Heck, it even has traces of protein in it. In general, the orange, yellow, and bright fruits and vegetables are going to be a good source of vitamin C and vitamin A. Flip side, you even got a little bit of fiber in it. Can't go wrong with a sweet potato. Easy to digest, naturally sweet. And I chop mine up just like this. Chop them up. Just like this. That's a fry right there. I put it in my air fryer and let it rock. Boom. Just like that. I put it in my air fryer and let it rock. I'm gonna have it on the side of my, when I make my burgers, it's gonna be good. It's going to slap. It's going to be so smackable. It's gonna be like I'm at a restaurant, but guess what? I'm at home, enjoying my food. We're gonna let that go, and I'm gonna show y'all the finished product. I don't have any buns. I did not make any buns, but I do have some bread left over from the week. I'll probably toast that and have some greens, some tomatoes. What else? I think I'm gonna have some pickles. I'm gonna do it up real good, show y'all what it looks like, and then I'm gonna feast because I'm getting hungry just thinking about this beautiful creation that I'm making and how I'm about to nourish my body. All right. I got red tomato, organic vine tomato. I just had it sitting around. So I'm going to enjoy that, slice that up. They're ready for my burger / sandwich. I need is 2 slices. I'll use the rest for a salad for the week. That's what I'm talking about. Dinner tonight can be tomorrow's snack / lunch. Like it all keeps building up. Now, for the case for this right here, for the burgers, you gotta eat those really quick since they were already leftovers. But if you got the good stuff, right? So if you are real methodical with your shopping, then you can have all that you need and you can just keep making meal after meal after meal. Good meal if that. So I'm gonna put greens on it, the spinach, and tomato, pickles. I'll probably top it off with maybe I got a barbecue sauce. Let me see. Let's see what I got in here. Hold on. But I do have barbecue sauce. I do have ketchup. Sometimes I'll make my own ketchup. It just depends on what's on the menu. So let's see. All right, so check it. For the sandwich, I got some Fody or foodie, however they want to call this. This is original barbecue sauce for a sensitive stomach. Right? It's made with apple cider vinegar. And listen to this ingredient list. Check it out. Tomato paste, apple cider vinegar, water, organic cane sugar, molasses, horseradish, organic, sea salt, natural smoke flavor, and black pepper. That's it. That's it. That's all you need. You can make it, but I keep stuff like that on hand just because. And then I got Sprouts organic ketchup, which is the tomatoes, a little bit of sugar, vinegar, and salt. That's it. That's it. That's it. So I'm gonna have that. And I'm gonna have us a little burger Saturday. I'm eating good too. But are you? Are you eating good? Because you can have this. You can have stuff like this. You just gotta plan for it. You gotta get creative. That was my toast. So I toasted that. Right? So I'm gonna go in and start putting it up and show you what I got, because I'm about to eat, and I'm about to eat good. So let's see. Some pickles. I thought I had some pickles. I got some pickles. Bread and butter pickles. Again, another slapper. These are just cucumbers, a little bit of sugar, vinegar, sea salt, mustard seeds, onion flakes. That's all it is. Turmeric for the color. That's all it is. There's no dyes or anything like that. From Sprouts. Trying to get y'all right. Trying to get you right. It's easy. It's easy. Don't be fooled on how easy it could be. So I'm gonna plate my lettuce down, or my spinach. I'm gonna put that down. I'm gonna taste it. Just check it for poison. You always gotta check your food for poison. Now, patties. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. So, you saw what they look like. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah, it's nice to a crisp. I'm gonna put that down. I'm gonna put that down. And then I'm gonna get some pickles. I need to know in the comments, where do pickles go on a sandwich or a burger? Because from my understanding, they go on the bottom. They go on the bottom. Tell me what you think. Because from my concern, they go on the bottom. And you put the patty on top of that. Then, that's where you put your sauce. It's on top of the patty. That's on top of the pickles. Right? Then you gotta taste that for poison. Make sure that's okay. That's what it's supposed to be. Right? Then you get your tomatoes. Right? Then you put the tomatoes on top of your greens. Then you put that on top. My goodness. I'm gonna show you. Be patient. I'm gonna show you. Right? Now that you got your sandwich, now you gotta get your fries. And to be honest with you, I really just use my microwave as a placeholder. Hey, y'all settle down. Y'all, hey, you settle down. Crazy cats. Stop that right now. Well, anyways, get these fries on the side. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And of course, you always gotta check for poison. You gotta make sure you're working with the good stuff. 100% Coach J Smackable approved. Look what we got right here. Look at that. Yeah. Look at that. I'm telling you, look. Look at that. goodness. Got my ketchup dipper. That's all you need, look. Look at that. That's all you need. And for this meal right here, you gotta taste along the way. For this meal, you got somewhere in between 1,200 and 1,800 calories. I don't know off the top of my head because I didn't measure everything, but look at that, a solid meal. It's gonna treat you really nicely. It's gonna make you feel good, and it won't make you feel bad. It will not put you to sleep because it's plant powered. It's not a dairy in sight. The bread is dairy-free bread. It's right here. This is how you eat good while eating good. Hey, y'all enjoy. I hope y'all enjoyed my little quest to turn leftovers into greatness, because that's just what I do. You got to get creative with it. I hope y'all enjoyed that. What are you doing with it? Enjoy it.